All right, guys, we're going to test out our 124008 basher style that we just replaced the body and all that with our new GENS Ace 3S 45C LiPo. This actually works pretty good in this setup. My 1-2 guys are going to like this battery. If you look, when you put it on its side, it fits in there almost perfectly. Now, I did take this out for a quick bash session yesterday. It was a little rainy with the monster truck tires, and pretty much I had to replace the servo saver and cross my fingers because I snapped the front end and it was having a lot of tough time steering. I'll probably throw a little of that footage at the end, me breaking it. But so what I'm doing today is, seeing I'm at Mom's, we're just gonna speed run her, see how she does. Yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Now, this stock with the 2838 and the standard 1300 mAh was at peak. The best I ever got was 37.7. The average about 37. Did it with both. So this 45C should kick it up a notch. Thanks to the guys over at GENS Ace for providing this for us to test out. We're gonna get this going. So let's see if we get some satellites going. Then I'll put my head rig on and we'll get rolling. Be right back. So we got our 124008 up and running again, and we just we got a 1800 mAh 3S 45C from GENS Ace. We'll try it out on this, do a little bash session, so should be fun. Brand new chassis. We're gonna do some jumps out in the mud out there, so should be fun. Should be fun. I'll be right back when they're ready to roll. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Whoa. Oh, that was nuts. That was nuts. That was nuts. It doesn't help that you got wet grass or wet carpet. No, I'm not taking her whole. Whoa. Whoa.
It's so funny with the water, like mist behind you.
You broke the wing already. The wing. We knew that was going to happen, though. We're good at breaking wings.
So it can turn like one direction.
Yeah. Oh.
Hit the corner of the log.
Yeah. Well, that was a short run.
Did the metal bend?
No, it broke it. The steering. See the steering column?
Oh.
It's all right.
It was steering like crap.
Yeah. That's not because of that.
It was like going. It wouldn't.
No, it needs.
Turn in one direction.
Needs another servo. Well, that was short-lived. At least we got it out.
I had to fight it. Just to get it
Yeah, I know. We're gonna put the other tires back on it.